Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Webpt account. So, watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have not yet, press the notification bell so that you never miss another upcoming upload from us. Okay, first of all, open up a web browser of your choice and type in www.webpt.com and press enter on your keyboard. After pressing enter on your keyboard, this is our official web page. You can scroll down this web page to investigate this web page. Let's scroll up. To log into your Webpt account, click on this Get Started button over here. After that, write in your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, your state, your company name, and your number of providers. After filling all of your details, click on the Submit button, and that's it, guys. That is how it can be easily done. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.